This is Elsie Kerns, your overwhelmed warrior. And you might ask, is it possible to change that fight or flight into calm and restore? Absolutely. There are some clinically proven energy techniques and ways to calm the nervous system and retrain the brain. This is a major issue that we're going to address in week 2 of my monthly webinar in February 2nd, 9th, 16th, and 23rd. Today, adults, teenagers, children are all struggling with anxiety, fear of the uncertainty that we're all living in, and that is understandable. But we have ways to work with anxiety so that literally retrain the brain, calm things down, and have effective, easy energy tools that are available 24/7. So I'd like you to consider joining me, and if you click the link below, you'll get all the details on exactly what each week is going to offer. We're taking an energy deep dive to really accelerate our personal evolution in 2022. And we're doing that through the group energy. So consider joining us. Click the link, learn all about what we're going to be doing, and I would love to share that time with you online, recorded for replay. Thanks for joining me today.